We revealed recently that a policeman forged a will to claim all his father's money. When factory worker Ronald Hart died, he left behind £43,000 and an unsigned will. Under the terms of this will, the money was to be divided between his surviving son and his niece. His son, however, police officer Darren Hart, felt that only half of this amount wasn't enough and that he needed to remove his niece from the equation. After taking his niece, Sherelle, out to lunch for her birthday, he and his second wife then proceeded to sign probate forms which neglected to mention the fact that Miss Hart existed before taking them to a solicitor's office, claiming that Mr. Hart was the sole surviving relative and should pocket all of the money himself. During the court case, Mr. Hart claimed that he didn't realize that under normal probate terms, his niece would also be a beneficiary. The case still continues, but Hart claims that he expects to receive a suspended sentence and will be able to continue working as a policeman.